Hi guys. Just wanted to do like a quick lip video using Blot Cosmetics. I haven't really done any video using them, so I figured I'd do one today. Maybe even do a series like I mentioned in a video yesterday. So I don't know if you guys can see the names. Boy by and Moonshine. Yes, I think that works. So first of all, I always line my lips. I've not yet decided which one I'm using, so after I line my lips. So yesterday on my Facebook page, Barbara1923, someone asked me why my skin glows. So I told her that I was gonna like answer her question in today's video. So basically, yes, I have no acne. Oh, I made a mistake. Yes, I have no acne, and yes, my skin glows in pictures. Mainly because one, Moonshine or Boy. I think I'll go with Moonshine because I'm wearing a more pinky skirt. So basically, my skin glows because one, I use face oils. If you read my blog, Barbara1923 or Barbara1923.com, you will know that in recent times I've been lusting, fawning, and loving the Ajali Marula face oil. It's pinker than I thought. So yes, I've been using that a lot. Way pinker than I thought. So I toned it down with the pencil, the brown pencil. Yes, outside of the Marula face oil, I always moisturize my face, and of course, highlighter. I always use highlighter whenever I have my makeup on. I'm going to add this gloss on it. I'm just trying to tone down the pink. Yes, so highlighter, face oil, highlighter, moisture. I always moisturize my face, and of course, sometimes I apply filters over my pictures, sometimes I don't, but really I also have the sun. I also have the sun to thank for it, because then depending on how I take the picture and how the light falls on my face, it makes my skin glow. Like the way I'm sitting now, the light's coming from here, and you can see how my nose and my cheeks are glowing. So I hope you like this video. I used General Lip Shine, and of course eyebrow pencil from Zaron. That's eyebrow stick, and of course Blot Cosmetics Moonshine. I used Blot Cosmetics Moonshine. So see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I hope you like the look and the video, and I hope I answered your question. I'm gonna tag you when I'm posting this video so you can see it. Yes. All right, bye.